to the last Throwback Thursday video of 2021. This video is part of an international collaboration of YouTubers who get together and create footage from old videos and photographs to share on this playlist. The video this week is more of a slideshow. It's from a Christmas visit to Chatsworth, and I think it was one of the first themed sort of Christmas themes they did, and it was back in 2013. We took our only granddaughters then, and we've got a lot more grandchildren now, but we took them, and it was Narnia, The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe, which was the theme of the tour around the house. So what we'll do is we'll show you some photos from back in 2013, and we'll see you a bit later on. Hope you like that little slideshow. It was only short and sweet, but brought back some very happy memories for us. All I've got to do now is say I hope you have a wonderful new year, and here's to a wonderful 2022, and we'll see you for January's Throwback Thursday in 2022. Bye for now.